guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's decided destination is Noojee. Noojee is a tiny village on the road to the Mount Baw Baw sky field. Originally settled by the gold prospectors during the 1860s, it became a town sustained by the timber industry. Surrounded by rolling green hills and densely wooded forest of the mountain ash, and it has a simple and charming timelessness. Today, it is predominantly a tourist town with a cafe, a general store, and the Noojee Hotel. Let's go and explore the beauty of the Trestle Bridge. Noojee is architecturally significant as a unique and essentially intact example of railway trestle bridge. This amazing bridge is only 1 minute off the main road and is a must-see place to visit when you are in the area. There is a steep walking track either side and you are able to walk across the bridge too, which really gives an appreciation of its height above the gully below. Next on our agenda is Tooronga Falls. The walk to Tooronga Falls will take around 1 hour and covers 1.5 kilometers. Hope you have enjoyed this travel episode. Check out my channel for more travel videos like this.